So I've got another phone to introduce. This one it's called the HTX 21. Also, the model is INFOBAR A02. I think A02 might be the color. But you can see here's a nice blue color. This one has a little bit of damage here, so the charging port is exposed. It's another mini USB charger. Then, to use it, you just push up into the unlock. And I've already installed the For You app in the ES File Explorer. So I already loaded all the files into the Pictures area. So you'd find that by just going over here, go to Local, which means your actual device, and then go to Internal Storage. So here's everything that's stored on side of it. The pictures, for example, this is where I put them. So go to IDL, Share, scroll down until you find Infrared. Sending file, again, go here, go to download. So go ahead and just find it. The screen says it changes to say that it's currently transferring when you found the right spot. So I recommend after you push a button here and you push a button on your Tama, go ahead and just like turn it around and aim it up properly to make sure you transfer. If the phone is on and the screen is on, it's active, and you put this against the NFC area, you should get a reaction. Touch. So you can see the Tamagotchi has registered the NFC and it sparked a random animation. So on the back of the phone they have this little mark which looks like a square with like a little finger pointing to it sort of. That is the NFC area. So you're going to have the most luck if you line up this mark with this general square in the back of the Tamagotchi. Let's open the For You app. I've already set up the internet, so open the app. Then you've got here a lot of the options. Let's see. Some clothes. Party dress. So let's go over to our Tamagotchi's download area. So For You app, go ahead and choose here. It's got the touch icon. Let's see if I can get it to... There you go. There you go. So this one works pretty well if you just hold it in your hand and just kind of balance it.